Hi Leo, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and today we're going to be doing another love bite for you. And these are general collective readings. Leo will not resonate with all of you. Please keep that in mind. Take what works for you and just leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Leo and send them the messages they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. So Leo, let's begin your reading, and a big welcome back to all my subscribers. Thank you for being here again. And if you're new here, Leo, we welcome you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. So Leo, Magician, center of my spread, Leo. And a lot of reversals around it. So something's not working out. Four of Wands is the overall energy. This isn't a beautiful card. But then what happened here, Leo? Somebody's kind of lost their passion. No emotional happiness at the moment. No equal give and take. Somebody's feeling a bit ungrounded. They feel maybe whatever they were trying to manifest is totally kind of backfired on them. There are two people who are very upset right now, the Queen of Wands and the King of Wands in reverse. And then we have the Two of Pentacles in reverse as well, which means somebody is dropping something here. Let's see what this story is all about. I mean, can you imagine? I have a Magician center of my spread in the upright, and yet all this going on around him. So let's see. Did somebody manifest something wrong? I'm going to start with some dialogue message cards as always, Leo. Let's see if you guys could say something to each other, what that would be, and then we'll start the clarification process. Since I don't think this King of Wands and this Queen of Wands are speaking to each other right now. Alright, so Leo and their person spirit, if they could say something to each other now, what would that be? Leo and their person. Leo and their person spirit. If they could say something to each other now. Okay. Let's take a few more from here, Leo. Leo and their person. If they could say something to each other. If any of you are looking for a personal reading, Leo, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. Leo and the person. Alright, good to go, Leo. Let's begin your reading. The first card here says, I hate it when I communicate with you and you could keep the conversation going, but you shut it down. Can't you tell that I'm trying to get you to coerce it out of me? I want to tell you what's going on with me, but I can't just come out and say it. Damn. So, lack of communication, I was right. You were always my desire, the love of my life, but I didn't tell you. It shocked the hell out of me when you told me you felt the same way, as I never expected that. You're all I want, but I just don't feel good enough for you. It drives me crazy when you behave like a spoiled child who takes my love for granted. Yes, I love you unconditionally, but I'm not your parent. And quite frankly, your behavior takes a piss at times. You need to act like an adult for our relationship to work. What is all this? So I'll say something, but I won't tell you the rest. I'll make you force me to tell me what I want to say. I mean, that's childish behavior, right? It really hurts me to have to keep my distance, but I just can't give you what you deserve at this time. I know that I need to make amends for my mistakes. I'm contemplating how to do this because I want to show you how much you mean to me. There is more to this than I'm able to share with you right now. See, again, second reference to somebody not sharing everything and wanting the other person to either force it out of them or coerce it out of them or just kind of mind read, and that's not the way a relationship is built, right? I'm involved with someone else, and it wouldn't be fair to either of you to pursue our connection at this time. I didn't have the courage to tell you. I need some time to collect my thoughts. So, Leo, these messages are kind of resonating with your storyline. Let's start with the reading. Before that, I'm going to take an angel blessing card. Let's see what my angels have to say. Blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for you. Look deeper. Yes, Spirit is saying what you see on the surface is not the truth. There is a lot going on behind the surface, what you don't probably know. So take some time to understand what's really going on here. It's like this little angel is sitting on a very calm looking pond or a river or something, and everything looks so peaceful. But underwater, there's a lot of action, there are lots of animals, plants, and a lot of movement happening, right? Which she can't see. So Spirit is saying, look deeper into this scenario, whatever's happening around you, because everything is not being told to you. All right, so Leo, why is the Ace of Wands in reverse for Leo? Why is the Ace of Wands in reverse for Leo? And the Ten of Cups? Oh, they're feeling a bit deflated. Somebody is feeling a bit down and out and emotionally very unhappy because somebody walked away from this connection. Yeah, somebody was, I think, also very frustrated, I think. I think maybe even sexually very frustrated, feeling very emotionally and sexually frustrated because somebody walked away from this connection because there was no equal give and take in this connection. Yes, I think somebody did have a lot of love in their heart but was unable to show their emotions. I'm sorry about the doorbell. Anyways, somebody here was unable to show their emotions, which made their partner distrust them, feel upset, feel angry. Maybe somebody was just breadcrumbing them, not revealing their innermost emotions. Yes, this could have been a lot of pride and ego, but I think they did have love. They did foresee something very stable in the future, but their ego and because of the ego and pride, I think they gave very little or kept it, not forthright. King of Pentacles in reverse. King of Pentacles in reverse, Spirit. Somebody is wishing now. Somebody is wishing. Maybe at that point they were not in a very stable place. Maybe their money wasn't right, or they were feeling insecure in their own life somewhere. This person now desperately wants to come out of feeling that they could lose something. They want to come out of this feeling of the Five of Cups where they are feeling disappointed or have any regrets. They're wishing and hoping and praying that they can take action again. This person is trying to manifest something quickly before they feel this connection has only backfired on them. Magician Spirit, yes, they're feeling very abandoned now. Feeling very abandoned, feeling, oh my God, it's all ended, it's all finished now. Maybe they never expressed what was in their heart on time. Now this person has, I think, regained their composure. They've regained their stability. They are now in a position maybe to come forward, but they are fearing that it may be too late. Seven of Swords in reverse, Spirit. Seven of Swords in reverse. They do want to message. They do want to take some kind of action. I think this person is right now in deep thought of how to say, what to say, how to start this, journey again. They feel it's kind of maybe not going to work out because Their partner may be a bit upset with them. They do want to bring back balance and healing to this connection, but they are trying to use their inner guidance or whatever to figure out what to say, how to say, so it doesn't kind of, let's see, Queen of Wands spirit, Queen of Wands, why is she in reverse? Why is she in reverse? And the King of Wands, both of them are in reverse at the moment. Yeah, both of you are maybe not talking to each other, keeping your thoughts to yourself, guarding yourselves. And yes, this connection is almost done here, Leo. Yes, this connection is already, I think it's over from what I feel. Queen of Wands in reverse, King of Wands in reverse. There were too many secrets that were being kept here. Too many secrets that were being kept here. I think somebody is now no longer waiting. They are guarding their energy. King of Wands, what did you do? Who did what? What happened here, Spirit? Oh, maybe there was another lover. Yes, it was basically somebody was not making a choice. They wanted to do things their way. In the past, that's maybe hiding their emotions, not speaking out, trying to be like my way or the highway, trying to win at any cost, trying to show who's superior. Now remember, Leo, one thing, the person who needs to show that they're superior is usually the one who's not. A person who is there doesn't need to prove it. And this kind of behavior always backfires. And I think here it has. Somebody is making a choice to drop this connection. Two of Pentacles, Spirit, in reverse. Yes, if somebody is no longer waiting, making a choice. Oh. Yeah, I think they're turning their back and maybe moving towards new love now. And somebody is not waiting anymore. I do feel this King of Cups, who did not show their emotions earlier, were hiding it, are now trying to manifest this connection back. They may try and apologize, or they do want to work on this connection. They do see a future with this partner of theirs. But too many lies and too many secrets have been kept in the past. This has already happened. I don't know how this is going to be revived. This is like an ending. Anything else, Spirit, for Leo? Can this be rectified? Can this be rectified? No, I think whoever this Queen of Wands is now shifted their focus. They're focusing more on themselves, on their own abundance, and looking away from this person who's always been sneaky or not giving them what they wanted in the past. Somebody's understood. I don't know. Leo, you would know. Yes, somebody is holding back big time. There is trouble here. As much as this person is trying to manifest a reconnection, I think this connection has already ended because of all the lies and secrets, and at least for this week, I don't see any movement here. Somebody can continue to manifest, but I don't see any movement as such. So that's all I have for you, Leo. I'm sorry it was not very exciting. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.